Umbiko womvikeli womphakathi uthole ukuthi abaholi bezombusazwe bavumela abantu abahlobene nomndeni wakwaGupta ukuba babe nesandla ohlelweni lokusiza abalimi abasafufusa eVrede. Kwaphinde kwaba nokungenelela kwezombusazwe okungafanele kulolu hlelo.
The Free State Provincial Government Exco led by the former Premier collectively failed to perform adequate oversight over the project when it appropriated additional funding for the project, ensuring that further payments were made to Estina.
Ihhovisi lika Mkhwebane liphinde lathola ukuthi izifundazwe eGauteng, iLimpopo, iMpumalanga, iKwaZulu-Natal kanye neEastern Cape ayizange ithenge impahla yokuyivikela ku-COVID-19 eyanele.
Some wards were not provided with appropriate PPEs. Only doctors were provided with full PPEs and not all medical staff in some instances. Some were required to reuse the masks.
Uphinde wathola ukuthi lowo wabe imeya yaseGoli uHerman Mashaba waqoka izikhulu ezithile ngendlela engafanele waphinde wehluleka ukulandela imigomo yokusetshenziswa kwemali ngesikhathi eqoka iKPMG ukuba yenze uphenyo ngaphandle kokukhipha ithenda lokwenza lo msebenzi. uMashaba waphinde wenza uhwebo nebhizinisi lapho umkakhe enezabelo.
In terms of the conflict of interest, the city allegedly awarded a multi-million tender for forensic investigation to Grant Thornton Capital, a company called Lipatsi Financial Services, which is allegedly owned by the former executive mayor's wife, and it owned 35% stake of Grant Thornton Capital. So the former executive mayor is alleged to have unlawfully and irregularly solicited free services from Lipatsi Financial Services.
Mkhwebane uphinde wathola owayengungqongqoshe wezamanzi uNomvula Mokonyane emsulwa odabeni lohlelo lokuhlinzeka ngamanzi lwaseLepele eLimpopo.